Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, getting ready for the weekend coming up. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below and see what other goodies they have besides this item too. But if you want this item, all you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, check it out really fast, and they'll ship this off to you really fast. Now this is the last day of the month, guys. We made it through January. It has been an interesting month. There we go. We got it nice and easy. There might be two videos in here I gotta do separate. So we'll see what the first one is, though. This is coming from... Too sure where. Dentrino whitening brush set with 12 DuPont brush heads. Ooh, nice travel size toothbrush. White Paraiba whitens teeth in 2 weeks. Healthier gums in 1 week. 10 times more plaque buildup. Reduces. Alright. Hey, going to Miami. I wish I was at Miami this weekend with the Super Bowl. That would have been great, interesting scene. We had one in Detroit I went to. That was pretty cool. I met some celebrities and stuff like that. But compared to Miami scene, I would love to go out there. But maybe next year. You never know. Here we go. Let's see what this is all about. Definitely going to be a good game, though, to watch on Sunday. Like I said, this would be perfect travel with you guys. Take on the road. Ooh, I like that. Nice, well packaged. Bam. This would be good for Valentine's Day gifts, you know. Tell your loved one, here you go. I'm trying to help you out. And also, you could save it for Christmas. Start it early this year because it moves fast, just like life goes fast. Here we go. Come on out. There we go. I think we got everything out. Nice little box though. You can still keep other stuff in here. Here we go. Got the manual. I might not need it, but you guys might. Box number 1. We'll go with the smaller. I think this is probably like the USB cables and the extra brushes. Yep. These are the extra brushes you get. And that's a nice, well packaged. Not like the other companies they have how they're packaged. This is really nice setup so far. I like this. They actually care about the customers. Alright, there's the goodies. We got the power supply stuff, USB. This must be the charging base. Yep. Take it into your hotel room, the gym. Get one of those power charger things. Use that to charge it in your office during school. Alright, put that there. Got that one. Gonna need this. Oops. The thing flew out of my hand. There we go. One little USB cord. Perfect size. And you probably plug it in right here. See the back hole right there? Just boop. There we go. And oh yeah, brushes in here. And now the main attraction. Oh, see, look at that. Perfect. Oh, bonuses. We got some bonus. 2 extra brushes. So it was like, what, 14 brushes? That should last you guys a while. But I think they got these on sale too. You could buy them separate if you need to. Well, you don't have to worry about running to the store for batteries. Got the USB charge. Really cool. Waterproof and all that. Nice case. Really nice case. Look at that. Bam. Bam. Yeah, by far, out of all the unboxings I did for toothbrushes and smart toothbrushes, this is a nice one to get. But now, here she is. Look at that. Bam. You could put 2 brushes here. So that would be perfect for any travel vacation spot you go to. Or like I said, business meetings and stuff like that. Be a nice little get to give to your boss. For like boss's day and stuff. Birthdays. Ooh. I hope you guys can see it. Let's see. I need... ooh. That's clean. And that is whiten. Shut that off for a second. We'll open this up. Show you a little action going with these brushes. This is an experience, guys. Definitely check them out now because these will be definitely sold out. Especially at the price they have it for now. All you gotta do is click the link and find out the price. Like I said, get it before they're gone, because once this video is uploaded, these will be selling out, guys, in a short time. Here's the bottom, what it looks like. So you just pop it in here. And then you don't need it anymore, and you need to charge it. Oh, I got a robocall coming. Oh boy. So, kind of looks like that. Just put it in your bathroom, or your office, or wherever you keep your stuff on the road. Plug it in your car. But pay attention while you drive. Do not brush your teeth while driving. I think that might be in the law or something. I don't know. But we have down here massager. I don't know if you guys could read that right there. Massager, polish, whiten, clean, sensitive. Definitely I'm the sensitive type 1 here. Like Twitter. Here we go. Got that. Plug that in, and now we can see the brush action. Look at those things go. This is only on polish. So you gotta click. There you go, massager. Oh yeah, I can feel it. See it? There it goes. And click it once. There you go. So really cool. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. Get this before they sell out. You guys have a good weekend. Be safe, and see you guys in the next video. See ya.